Hi friends, today we are going to work on writing our numbers. Now, I do want you to try yourself, but parents, sometimes for some of the numbers, it helps if you create an outline. So you could either print off a worksheet that has dots for the students to trace, or you can make your own. We do this sometimes at school. So and for the number 1, you could just do some dots in a line, and then the child can go over it, okay? But I would really like for you to try yourself first, right? We always try ourselves, and then if we need help, we get help. All right, so you just saw the first one, 1. When you write a number 1, you start at the top and do a line down. Can you do that? Good job. All right, next for the number 2, you're going to start at the top again. But you're going to move your marker or your pencil up a little bit and around, back down, and over. 2. Can you try that? Very good. All right, let's move on to the next one. What do you think the next number will be? 3. For 3, you start at the top as well. So you're going to start at the top, go around and bring your marker in. Keep your marker or your pencil on the paper, and then come back out, around and down. 3. Can you do that? Wow, that is a tricky one. If you need to, you remember mom or dad or grandma or grandpa, aunt and uncle can do dots, and you can trace. Very good. What number comes next? Yep. So for your 4, you're going to start with a line down and pick up your pencil, come back to the top, make a line just a little bit down. Keep your pencil down and bring it over. 4. You give it a try. Awesome job. What comes next? 5s can be a little tricky, so watch close. You are going to take your marker and make a line over. I'm doing it towards myself. Then a little line down. See that? Next, I'm going to go back towards where I started, but I'm going to start to go down, bring my marker down, around, and back over. 5. I want you to try. Good job. And now if you need some dots, have somebody older than you make your dots so you can trace it. Very good. What number comes next? Yep, 6. For 6, we start over. We bring our marker down and then back up and around and connect. 6. Beautiful. Remember, when we do a 6, I do not want a circle, bringing up your marker, and a line. I don't want that. Nope. I want it to be all one motion, so you're not bringing up your marker. So you're starting at the top, go around and down. Good. What number comes after 6? You're right. 7. So 7, we're going to start at the top and go over and down. 7. Wonderful. And our next number will be 8. And then you do your 8, you're going to start with your marker at the top. And you're going to make a little circle, kind of like a circle, but I'm going to keep going down. It's kind of like a C. I'm not going to finish the circle. I'm going to go down all the way to the bottom, around and back up so I can connect the line. 8. Now that's a little tricky. It isn't circle and then a circle. That's not an 8, because sometimes what starts to happen is you make a circle and then you bring your marker or your pencil down, then you make a circle, and does that look like an 8? No, So we don't want that. We want to do it all in one motion. So 8. Very good. Use the dots if you need to. All right, our next number is 9. For 9, we're going to start with a circle. So you will make a circle, start with your marker at the top, make a circle, and then once you connect your circle, you keep your marker on the paper and you go with a line down. So I didn't do, oh, big circle, woo, look, line. Because a lot of times that line doesn't look very nice. So we don't want that. We want a circle, keep your marker or your pencil on the paper, and a line down. 9. All right, we're going to do one more. What do you think it is? How do you make a 10? What do we put together? A 1 and a 0. 10. Well, today you did an awesome job. Thank you for working so hard.